When you look at a true patient that requires treatment for an illness such as pain or anxiety or other areas that we're involved in, they need to be able to afford that drug. And if these drugs are $1,000 to $1,200 to $1,500 a month, that cuts out to 99% of the population. So the key for going the medicinal route and going to what Medipure is doing today was patient affordability and true science behind what we're providing. We looked at creating a medicine that or a treatment protocol that takes you away from the opiate market. Opiates have their place in medicine. However, they are highly addictive. There's numerous side effects that come with opiate use, and now with the opiate crisis going along globally, this is a key issue. Medipure isn't a cannabis company. Medipure is a truly pharmaceutical research and development company. We're a pharmaceutical incubator. We look at global markets, global niches. As an example, the global pain market for acute neuropathic pain is pushing $60 billion a year. This is all primarily, or a majority of this is going into the opiate industry. There has to be something better for patients that will give them similar or better treatment for less side effects, and definitely taking away from the addiction model that's been created. We have looked at specific receptors, CB1 and CB2 receptors within the endocannabinoid system, and we've put together what I believe is one of, if not the top research team for the various aspects of the development of these drugs that we could put together. We've got an outstanding scientific advisory board, specialists in receptor modulation, modification, absorption, blood-brain barrier research. We've got Nihar Pandey, who is our chief scientific officer, is, I believe, a leader in the field as far as understanding the value of cannabinoid molecules and the drugs that can be developed from those. If you want MSP coverage, if you want secondary healthcare provider coverage, it needs to be a drug. It has to have a drug identifier number. It has to have a DIN number. It has to have the efficacies, the risks associated defined, and then they will get coverage. Well, you're not going to get that from a nutraceutical. So our market has been, we develop drugs from a molecule or a series of molecules forward. We're not dealing with extracts. We're not dealing with variations of just isolated compounds. We are actually creating our own drugs from the molecule forward. Those drugs are going through full medical and pharmaceutical protocols. We have research going on in Canada. We have it going on in Finland, and we're opening up new labs in India. I'm excited by not only the market potentials and how we can help patients, but also in everybody that works with us. I can give you an example, Dr. John Maynard, who is our medical director. John's been involved in everything from a general practitioner to various aspects of Coastal Health Advisory Board, to various roles within, co-director of Lionsgate Hospital. He's been involved in all aspects. And when you see individuals like this, that you can see their excitement in what we're developing and how this is going to help patients. That's what excites me. That's what excites everybody in this company. We've got outstanding research. We've got an outstanding investor pool that's there right now. We've got a company that there is nothing downward. Everything is upward and forward for us. We're involved on an international scale with our investors, with our research, with our partnerships. There is only up.